I had such a wonderful experience at the workshop that was organized by CISS-Global and IEEE. And one of the main thing that I really like is the projects organized by the students. The students here are amazing students. They are so much enthusiastic and very smart. Their projects were very, very interesting as well. And the workshop throughout the day, I have myself has learned so much through that workshop, because the speakers from all over the globe, they talked about so passionately about what the work that is going on, the cutting edge technologies that developing. So overall, I want to also thank the organizers, particularly Qasim as well as Zubair. They did a wonderful job, as well as the students, the volunteers. So I cannot express how glad I am that I came here for this workshop.
I'm Stefano Maci, past president of Antennas and Propagation Society. I was participating to this workshop yesterday, and it was extremely successful. There are fantastic speakers of several societies, APS, MTT, and COMSOC, and make a panoramic of the state of art of science and technology in communications and SAT.
It is really a privilege to be at ITU for this global international workshop. This would not have been possible. Guidance from Dr. Zubair and Dr. Qasim for all the students. It was just amazing. It was the best time I had when I was interacting with the students and seeing all their exciting projects. They are the future. They have been working on some of the most cutting edge technologies, and I see a big bright future for ITU and all the students in the future.
I am so pleased to attend this world-class event jointly organized by CISS-Global and IEEE, Antenna and Propagation Society, and Microwave Theory and Technique Society. I have never seen such a great event in Pakistan since I'm visiting Pakistan from so many years. The energy from students, energy from academics and external attendees was eye-opener for me. We have seen various projects showcased by the students, which were world-class. And I sincerely would like to thank Qasim and Zubair for making this happen, and most importantly, CISS-Global team of all students and volunteers who helped to make this event flawless. Last but not least, a sincere thanks to all the speakers who came from across the world, including US, UK, Gulf, Turkey, and so on.
Yesterday we had an international inter-society distinguished lecture workshop organized by CISS-Global and IEEE. Everything was perfect in terms of speakers, student projects, social activities, technical talks.
I'm quite excited that we spend wonderful time here at Lahore to attend the IEEE Distinguished Lecture Workshop organized by CISS-Global in ITU and IEEE, MTT and APS societies. It was really amazing to see the projects, the research, the innovation that takes place in ITU. The student demonstrated some of the state-of-the-art work they're performing here at the university, along with other partners in Pakistan and globally. It was really great to see that the faculty members working closely with their students, the collaboration between them, not only within ITU, but also with universities in Pakistan. And it's very amazing also to see how they are planning to extend their collaboration through their leadership on exchanging information, knowledge, and potentially sending staff across different institutes and partners within the world.
Activity was great effort by director of CISS-Global, chairperson of electrical engineering department at ITU, and chair of the ITU IEEE APS MTTS joint chapter Lahore, Dr. Qasim Mahmood. I collaborated with him, myself, and our dean and faculty of engineering, Dr. 𝗘𝗅𝗽𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍, as well as Professor Qammer Abbasi of University of Glasgow. So this was a team effort for organizing this amazing program and related social activities.
It's a matter of indeed great pride for IT University at Lahore that we have hosted one of the biggest conferences that we held so far. We have invited the speakers from all over the world. They are the distinguished, accomplished researchers. They are leading in their field and they have shared their state-of-the-art research with us. We are grateful to the Vice Chancellor of IT University for supporting this event and the IT administration. In particularly, CISS-Global has played a role in ensuring that the whole event goes smooth at IT University.
I hope everybody would have enjoyed this recently concluded IEEE Distinguished Lecture Workshop, where you see speakers from across the globe. They came physically to make this workshop a successful event. This was one of the biggest event in the history of ITU, and we are really grateful to all the speakers from US, from UK, from Gulf, from Turkey, from Italy, whose insightful talks were really very interesting, and they brought lots of knowledge and connectivity to all the people who attended, for all the participants who attended the workshop.
I'm grateful to our students for putting their best effort in making this conference successful. In particular, our faculty members, Dr. Qasim Mahmood and Dr. 𝗘𝗅𝗽𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍, they have put their best efforts in attracting all those speakers to come to Pakistan in Lahore at IT University. And they have managed a lot of external funding from IEEE, for which we are thankful to their societies for hosting this event.
A special thanks to Faculty of Engineering, obviously, who remained at the leading role in terms of, along with CISS-Global. That includes obviously the Dean, Faculty of Engineering, Dr. 𝗘𝗅𝗽𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍. Myself, I paid my humble effort into that, and obviously Dr. 𝗘𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍, who remained very crucial in managing and organizing all these things. And special thanks to Professor Qammer Abbasi, who was instrumental to convince all these speakers to physically visit Pakistan and ITU. Thanks, everyone.